As soon as you feel anxious and nervous before any type of talk, interview, meeting, the first thing that we need to do is we need to distract our mind and control our nerves by controlling our breath. We can do some box breathing exercise and it will surely work wonders because it did the same for me and my students on countless occasions. There are basically two types of box breathing exercises. You can opt for any one of them or both of them depending on the time you have in your hands. Basically, box breathing helps to distract your mind and you will be focusing on breathing rather than being nervous. It can calm your nervous system. It pumps in oxygen in your bloodstream because you will be doing some rigorous breathing, and it clears your thought process. And when all of these are done, it reduces the stress in your body. So out of the two, the first one is called as the lung breathing. So now you have to imagine a box, a square of equal size, and name them as A, B, C, D. Just number them or name them as A, B, C, D. You have to go from A to B, B to C, C to D, and from D to A. When you are nervous, concentrate on the A, B, C, D rather than the topic on which you are getting nervous, due to which you are getting nervous. Now, put one hand on your abdomen and one on your chest, right? One on your abdomen and one on your chest. This is called as the lung breathing, okay? So, inhale, you have to first inhale. Inhale to fill in air in your lungs and not your abdomen. Okay, so you'll breathe in. Please take care. Your abdomen does not, you have put your hand on the abdomen so you can feel that the air does not get into the abdomen, but rather your chest should expand, right? So do it for the count of 4. So when you are inhaling, inhale with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now for the box, you have moved yourself from A to B. Now hold your breath in this position for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have moved from B to C of the box. Now exhale the air from your lungs for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold yourself in that position to the count of 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, you have come from D to A. While I was talking, it took some time, but now you repeat the process in the same way for 4 to 8 times. Okay, this is the lung breathing. So your lungs should expand, not your abdomen. Right? Do this for 4 to 8 times, concentrating on you moving from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. You'll see all the thoughts which were giving you nervousness, now it shifts your mind to the counting and to the numbering of your box. Do it for 4 to 8 times before entering any critical public speaking scenario. Now, if you have time, then do the belly breathing also. In this type of breathing, you will breathe through your belly now and not your lungs. So again, you have to do the same process, but now the air you have to inhale and your belly or your abdomen should swell rather than your lungs. Okay, so the pattern is same as you did in the previous one. Repeat the process A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A 4 to 5 times. There is no difference, same way, but now your abdomen, the air should get into the abdomen. Hold the air in your abdomen, then exhale and again hold it for the count of 4. When you are in a tough spot, you can do lung breathing, but if you practice both of them regularly, it will surely help you resist your ADDY and AMI symptoms. Try it for yourself.